Apple might change how it treats leased iPhones and payment plans. Hello and welcome to GadInsider. Welcome to your tech hub. Apple's new upgrade program and leaked iOS 27 beta code suggests Apple could restrict iPhones when customers skip payments. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple will partner with Klarna to finance the program, which would cover most iPhones, Macs, MacBooks, iPads, and Apple Watches. The leases would run between 24 and 36 months depending on which device you get. Just like car leases, the program would let you pay off your device or upgrade to a new model before the lease ends. At the end of the term, you could keep the device or return it. Now, iOS 27 contains code that reveals a broader system for managing a financed iPhone. This system apparently includes the ability to restrict apps and service if a payment is missed. There is something called App Managed Features, which would do status checks to ensure payments have been made. If a payment is missed, the iPhone would be put in restricted mode, which will block access to most apps, including Accessibility Reader, App Store, Health, Magnifier, Phone, Clock, Settings, Wallet, and Passwords. Some apps like Messages and Home or Safety apps might also remain accessible, though it seems the financial provider has control over the exceptions. Plus, the number of missed payments that trigger restricted mode is also up to the financial provider and their policies. Apple will launch the new Apple Upgrade program soon. However, there's no references to the restricted mode in the current beta code or iOS 26.6 RC, which was released yesterday. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.